To get the most out of TSB Bank live chat, follow these best practices. First, ensure you are using a secure and stable internet connection to prevent any disruptions during the conversation. Next, have all relevant information ready, such as your account details and any specific questions or issues you want to discuss. When initiating the live chat, clearly state the purpose of your inquiry in the initial message. This helps the representative understand your needs and provide a more accurate and efficient response. Be concise and to the point, avoiding unnecessary details that may prolong the conversation. During the chat, be respectful and courteous, just as you would in a face-to-face conversation. Avoid using jargon or technical terms that may confuse the representative, and instead use simple language to explain your issue. If the representative requests additional information, provide it promptly to avoid delays. To ensure your issue is resolved efficiently, ask specific and targeted questions. For example, if you are inquiring about a transaction, provide the date and amount of the transaction to help the representative locate it quickly. Additionally, take notes during the conversation, including the representative's name and any actions agreed upon, to reference later if needed. If the issue requires further assistance, do not hesitate to ask for escalation or a callback from a specialist. TSB Bank live chat. Representatives are trained to provide assistance within their scope, and if they cannot resolve the issue, they will direct you to the appropriate channel. Finally, after the issue has been resolved, take a moment to provide feedback on the live chat service. This helps TSB Bank improve their service and ensure that future customers receive the best possible support. By following these best practices, you can ensure a smooth and effective experience when using TSB Bank live chat.